Today we will be testing a 15-minute crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 15-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 164 different strategies, with 61 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. We've also tested a total of 996 indicators, with 420 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 15-minute crypto scalping strategy. The source video says the VWAP Angle Indicator always catch market tops and bottoms. So of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this. So let's go ahead and turn off these indicators here real quick. So the first indicator you'll add to the screen is going to be the VWAP Angle Trend Indicator, this one right here. And it'll look similar to this here. In the settings, you'll only make one modification, or I guess two modifications. You'll change this to 55, the low band and the high band to 55, and you'll hit OK. The second indicator you will add to the screen is going to be a EMA, so just a standard moving average exponential, and of course it will look like this right here. And you'll go into the settings and you will change this to a 30 period like so. And the last indicator you'll add to the screen is going to be the parabolic SAR. And so it's going to be the parabolic SAR by Everget right here. So you'll add that to the screen. And under the settings, you're going to go in and under the start, you're going to change that to 0.01. And under the increment, you're going to change that to 0.001. And then you'll jump over to the style tab and you'll turn off the parabolic SAR here at the top, the P star. And then you'll turn off the trade state filling right here. And you'll hit OK, and should have the setup like this right here. So what we're looking for is the VWAP Angle Indicator to go into the overbought or oversold area. That's that 55 and negative 55 area that we marked out there. Now, if it goes high enough or low enough into that area, it'll give you a background coloration like this right here. It's a red background coloration. If it goes low enough, it'll give you a green background coloration, but it's not necessary for that. It can just glance into this area right here, and you can hover over that bar where the line is and look at your coordinates right here to see if it made it over that 55 mark and into the overbought area in this case. And so that's the first piece of the puzzle we're looking for. It's parabolic, or the VWAP indicator, to break out into the overbought or oversold area. Then what we are looking for is the parabolic SAR indicator to give us a sell signal like this right here. And lastly, we're looking for price action to be or break below the EMA at the same time like this here. Once all that is in place, you'll enter a short trade, put your stop right above the last swing, and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward like this. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get out of it. Alright, so you see that it takes quite a bit of time, but we then eventually make this break to the downside here, getting us to our take profit. All right, and for a long trade, we're looking for, again, the VWAP Angle Indicator to break to the downside here. In this case, it is enough to give us the green background that I was talking about a moment ago. And then we're looking for a buy signal from the parabolic SAR. If you get a sell signal in between this and between the VWAP breaking to the downside and before you get a buy signal, that will invalidate this signal. And so be mindful of that as well. Same way with the reverse. And so when we get the buy signal, we're then looking for price action to be or break above the moving average like it does right there. We're going to take a long position here. We're going to set our stop right below the last swing and target the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get. And you see here that we make a nice steady little climb up, which eventually hits our take profit right here. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 15 winning trades and 35 losing trades, putting it at a 30% win rate. The 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, you would have gained $9,000 altogether. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400. Your drawdown would have been $14,000 for a total loss of $5,000 altogether. Definitely not the best strategy, and truth be told, the VWAP Angle Indicator does not catch tops and bottoms. It often is quite delayed. It gives the signal, and then it takes quite a while before a top or bottom is actually formed. So definitely some iffy claims from this source video. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex Indicator. During the same period of time, we did 51 trades altogether. Out of those 51 trades, we did 44 winning trades and 7 losing trades, putting it at an 87% win rate. On the winning side, if you were looking to gain that same $600, you would gain $26,400. On the losing side, you would have lost $6,300 for a total gain of $24,450 in about 3 months worth of time. And so you can see that the Academy of Forex Indicator is significantly better. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. And so it's super cheap for a profitable trading indicator. Now, you do have to maintain your Patreon status as well. Let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals here. And so this is using the Academy of Forex Indicator on these 4 Forex pairs, this one crypto coin. And this is on the 30-minute time frame, and every week we are tracking the signals that it gave. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 7 trades altogether, 5 winning trades, 2 losing trades, putting it at a 71% win rate, a gain of $1,440 on the crypto coin. We had 0 trades though, unfortunately, and so for this week, the gain would have been $1,440. Add that to our 8-week total, and we are now at $17,480 would have been the total. And so you can see how over a few weeks worth of time, a couple months worth of time, with just a few Forex pairs and a few handfuls of trades a week, you can gain the tens of thousands of dollars that I show in the videos. And so super profitable trading strategies, like I said. All right, that's it for this video here. This one is going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.